Welcome back. In this video, we will see basic modified tools in Revit. So basically, there are 17 basic modified tools that are frequently used in Revit architecture. Namely, first is align. So let me go and show you in the modify panel. So this is how the align will look like. Next, it is offset. So you can see offset is here. Next, we have mirror select axis, which is next to the offset. Then we have mirror draw axis. Next we have move, then copy, and then rotate. Next we have array, scale, then we have trim extend to corner, trim extend single element, and then we have trim extend multiple element. Next we have split element, and then we have split with gap. Next we have pin, unpin, and then delete. So these are the 17 basic modified tools which you are going to frequently use in Revit. So let's see one by one how we can use each of these modified tools. So before using it in Revit, let's see about them in text. So the first command is align. So align tool is basically used to align one or more elements with a selected element. So let's switch to Revit and see how we can use this align tool. So for the demonstration purpose, here you can see I have a kind of a four closed walls. So let's suppose I'm going to create another wall. All right. Now you can see this is my existing wall, and this is the wall which I have created. Now for some reason in the middle of the project or in the middle of your working time, you would like to shift this wall in such a way that the exterior edge of this wall should properly align with the exterior or edge of this existing wall. So to do that, we can use align command. So how you can access it? You can go to modify from the ribbon, then go to modify panel, and then as I have shown you in the presentation, this is the align command. So you can select align, and then you can see in the status bar it is asking you to please select align or point of reference for alignment. So what I will do, I would like to align this wall up to this. So this is going to be my source alignment object. So select this edge and then select the target edge. So now you can see this wall is properly aligned with the existing wall. Now let's suppose for some reason you would like to shift this wall and you would like to make this wall appear that it should start from this end edge. So for this, again we can go and select the alignment option, then select the source edge, and then use the target edge of the wall which you would like to move it. So this is how you can use align command, and then you can shift the elements. So let's go back and see our next modified tool. Our next modified tool is offset. So offset tool copies or moves a selected element to a specified distance perpendicular to its length. Alright, so let's switch to Revit. So let's consider, for example, you would like to create a wall at a distance of 1 meter from this existing wall. So to do that, what we will do, let's go to architecture, wall. Alright, let's cancel this, not like this. We can go to modify first, and then we can use align we can use the offset option. Then use the numerical offset value. So I can give it like 1000. Select the existing wall whose copy you would like to make it. So you can see, as I explained you can either move or copy. So by default right now we are making a copy of it. So let's select this existing wall, and you can see it created a duplicate wall at a distance of 1 meter from the existing wall. The similar way, I can go and make it 1500, and in the same way I can simply go and keep on clicking. Let's go and select this one and the right, and then you can press escape or right click cancel to come out of the command. So this is how you can create a duplicate copy using the offset tool. Let's suppose I would like to use my offset tool to move this existing wall, not to copy it. So for that, I can go to Modify tab again and then Offset, and then this time I'm going to uncheck the copy option. Next, I would like to move it 1 meter from its existing position. So I can go and make it 1000. I can make it offset as 1000 mm, and then select it. And now you can see, instead of creating a duplicate copy, it itself moved to a distance of 1 meter. So this is how you can use offset tool to move or copy a existing element. So let's select everything and delete these additional lines. Now let's go back and see our next modify tool. So that is mirror select axis. So what this do, it reverses the position of selected element using an existing line or edge as the mirror axis. Okay, so let's switch to Revit. Consider, for example, you have some existing wall here, something like this, and then you have a model line already present. Let's suppose you are working in a already created model, so all of these elements are already present. So this time you would like to mirror these elements to the other side, on the right side. So for this, I would like to use the mirror axis as the existing line, which is already present. So for this, what we can do, we can go to Modify and then select Mirror Pick Axis. So select Mirror Pick Axis. Now here you can see, you can select the elements first to whom you want to mirror, press enter, and then next you select the axis. And now you can see it will create a duplicate copy on the other side. So let's go back and delete this. Now let's see our next command, that is mirror draw axis. So what this do, it reverses the position of selected element by drawing a mirror axis. So let's go back to Revit. Here you see I would like to create a duplicate copy on this. Let's delete this part. So I would like to first make a mirror of it on the right side, and you can see I don't have any mirror axis. So for that, we can go and select mirror draw axis option, select it, select the elements which you would like to select, and press enter, and then you can see now it is asking you to draw an axis. So what I will do, I can go simply and try to snap it. You can see, you will see the S midpoint as a triangular shape, and then you can just draw a straight imaginary axis and click. Now you can see it created a duplicate copy on the other side. Similar way, let's suppose I would like to make it on the down part. So I can make a selection again, use mirror draw axis, and then I can draw it from the middle and close. So this is how you can create a mirror using draw axis option. So thank you very much. In the next video, we will see some of the more remaining modified tools. Thank you very much.